Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a 9-drawer dresser we're going to redo. Alright, it looks like it's in pretty good shape. At the top here, we put a little wood putty. There was a couple little indentions, little scrapes that we wanted to fill in, make it a nice piece once we get to the sanding portion. So, I haven't picked a color yet, but 9 drawers, cool little handles, nice little style. What we're going to do is remove the hardware, then we can get it prepped, prepared for sanding, which is everybody's favorite part, right? It's got to be done so we can get that paint to stick nice. So, let's get the hardware off. We'll check the subframe, the tracks, make sure everything's good. If there is any issues, let's point them out and get them fixed. Drawers out, we got it all figured out. I did mention earlier that it's a 9 drawer, but it's actually 3 down, 2 across, and then 2 big ones here. So that's kind of a cool design. So what we're going to do, start sanding the piece out. There was no issues with the frame, subframe or anything, so we're good to go. We're going to use our DeWalt sander, 100 grit sandpaper. Actually, I think it's 120 grit that we're going to use today. We're just going to buff, scuff, so we can get a good grip with the paint, and then we'll go from there. Start painting, and today we're going to do carbon black with our bare permanent paint. This stuff goes on really nice. Here in Phoenix it's really dry and it's really hot, so this project of painting goes pretty quick. Now there's a few things that we have to watch for when we're in Phoenix here, and it's how fast the stuff dries. So if you're going to glob up your brush here, you're going to get a lot of globby marks, and that stuff's going to be hard to spread. So take it a little easy, use a little patience, and just get a little bit on, spread it out, go for it again, over and over again, until you get that desired amount on the drawers and the frame. And then we're going to do 2 coats. So let's get started. seal it up a little bit, get the hardware on, and we'll get some pictures of this finalized. So, got an old sock, little poppet sock, and we've got our Veritane finishing wax, so let's get started. Just like all beeswax type stuff. So, wipe on, wipe off. Alright, here it is completed. We used the Carbon Black by Behr Prime and Paint. We did a vintage style, so it's not perfect, but it's not really scuffed up or anything like that. We didn't have to do any sanding to it. Gives it this nice vintage look. If you like this project or any of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and leave a comment or two. Let us know what you think about this style.